So how do carbon fiber wings typically attach to cars? Well, it's not that much. Let's go show you real quick. So this is a bracket and it looks like it's made out of aluminum, and we have 4 bolts here, and we just had those powder coated. My friend Ryan did them. But let's look at this carbon fiber wing. All of this is carbon fiber, but behind here is a plate that has some threads for a bolt, and what it does is it sandwiches the carbon fiber and the bracket, and we're going to show you right here. So bracket goes like this, and then bracket goes like that. But whenever you're putting on bolts, especially on anything that sees vibration or some downforce or anything like that, we're going to be putting on some Loctite. And this is important because bolts like to back out, especially bolts with parts like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our bolt and we're going to line it up with our bracket. We're going to start it. Now, you never go all the way down, and the reason why is because if we went all the way down, we wouldn't be able to move this and align it. But just like that, and then we're going to do this other side real quick, and then we're going to put the wing on so you can see how it attaches to the car. Okay, we're going to attach the wing to this part of the rear hatch, and it kind of just slides over. And now let's go get our bolts. So for this particular setup, we have a bolt, a washer, and a nut, and we're going to put the bolt through here. Boop, like that, and then we're going to put our washer and then our nut. And we're not going to tighten it down just yet. And now it's time to actually lock him down. And that's it, we tighten it down. Now typically you're going to need a torque spec because these are kind of very important aerodynamic parts. You don't want to over tighten or under tighten, but also you could actually adjust the attack of the wing. And what that means is that the attack correlates with how it hits the wind or how the wind hits the actual spoiler, and that's how much downforce it produces. All right guys, I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. You take care, and I'll talk to you soon.